Hey you guys, SEK the Homesteader here. Okay you guys, I hope everyone is doing well as we are entering our fall gardens. All right you guys, so a couple of weeks ago I sowed some seeds on this raised bed on my left and the raised bed on my right. I did a variety of cabbage on this side, and I think I sowed a few lettuce seeds over here as well. I will have to go back and check my video, but I did not have success in my seed germination. So you guys, when you don't have success in your seed germination, don't fret, just go get you some transplants. All right, it's better to have something growing in there than nothing. So I went to my local Lowe's and I got me some collard greens, some broccoli, and some cabbage. I bought, I would say, a slab of each one, meaning a whole tray, which a tray usually consists of 36 transplants. And I filled up this raised bed with 36 Georgia collards and 36 broccolis. So my plan, you guys, was to hopefully get cabbage growing in both of these raised beds. But again, this has not been a great year for me as far as sowing direct seeds. And I don't know if it's because maybe my seeds was old, but I did purchase new seeds and I tried to sow those seeds within these two raised beds, and I did not get great germination, even though we did get a good downpour of rain. So I had got just a few, not a lot. So I may come back in here and reseed, but our cooler weather is coming in at night, so that may be a possibility. But I wanted to show you guys something. So what I did do was I went around in most of my grow bags and I threw out lettuce seeds in most of the grow bags that's surrounding the garden. So I did get some germination over here with lettuce seeds. Not a lot, but I did get some. Now on this strip over here where I just dumped my other buckets in, I got a few seeds to germinate on in this area right here. Just a little bit over here, not much. So again, I may try to re-sow some seeds in this area. So transplants are looking really well. I done watered them in. I have my shade cloth to put on top when the evening comes in, because I do not want the rabbits to come in here and start snatching out my leaves and things of that nature. So hopefully this raised bed will give me lots and lots of beautiful lush greens. Now I forgot what I did sow on this side, but I did not have any seed germination on this side, and I don't know why. Okay, so you guys remember the plan for the raised bed in the back. Remember you guys, I wasn't supposed to be growing anything in here. I was supposed to be picking this sucker up and getting ready for next season with new raised beds, right? So I said, let me see how this will work if I threw some seeds out. See guys, you just never know. Y'all see this germination in here? And I believe I put back here some collards. I'm trying to think of that other type of lettuce. It's a big seed lettuce. It's gonna come to me. So I did a variety of seeds right here, and this was just a random act of mine just to see what this raised bed would do. Well, for some reason, and y'all see the seeds ran all the way down here, for some reason I got great germination in this area. So what I decided to do was throw some seeds in there, just see what it'll do, and hopefully produce some more food before I get rid of this raised bed, being that it had this soil in it. So look what happened. So you never know what your raised bed is going to do. And I'm trying to think, did I do any brand new seeds in here? I can't even remember. All I know is I said I'm gonna give it a go, and I came out here and threw some seeds in here, and then we got several downpours of rain, which, you know, allowed the seeds to germinate even quicker. That's why I don't understand why I did not get this germination on this side. So again, not much germination, but I did get some, but not a lot. So I think I'm gonna give it a go again, being that it's still warm out here. And I think I'm going to try to do another round of lettuce seeds out here as well. And I also, you guys, I did lettuce back here in these bags as well, but again, I didn't get any germination. So I think I'm gonna give it a go, being that it is still warm. So this is looking really, really nice. They looking happy after I watered them in. I love to see collards and broccoli grow. So this is definitely their time of the year. The brassicas love the fall and the cold. So I'm looking forward to harvesting plenty of collard greens over here. So I will definitely keep you guys updated on these raised beds as they continue to grow. And I'm going to either reseed this bed with some collards or some kale. I might even try to give some carrots a go over here. We'll see. But I also still have a tray of cabbages. So I might try to fit all 36 in here. Okay, you guys, my apology. We got cut off. I think I overheated out here. But what I was saying is what you see growing right here is my okra that I chopped back, and it decided to come back because it was still warm out here. So that's not going to make it. So I'm probably just going to pull the whole stem out of there, and then I will come back in here and most likely put the cabbage that I have. That's 36 plants. I still have that on the deck. So I think tomorrow I'm going to come back in here and plant my cabbages. So, all right, you guys, don't be discouraged if your seeds do not germinate. We still have time to get transplants from Homedepot and Lowe's. All right, you guys. So just run and get you some of those transplants. They are a little bit more expensive this year, but I'd rather have something growing than nothing growing. All right, you guys. So this is SEK the Homesteader. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Peace.